Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're gonna make my super easy 6-ingredient mango salsa. If you're new to fruit salsas, mango is such a great place to start. Mango just has this incredible flavor. It's great for dipping. It's also great as a topping for tacos.
Start by adding diced mango to a large bowl.
You can use fresh or frozen mango in this recipe. If you do use frozen, just make sure you thaw it out and drain off any liquid before chopping it up and adding it to the dish.
Now add minced red onion, minced garlic and jalapeno, and chopped cilantro.
What makes this recipe really special is that you're not just using lime juice, but you're gonna put the zest in there. The zest adds this just punch of lime flavor that you are going to absolutely love. It goes great with the mango.
So zest and juice that lime right into the bowl and then add a sprinkle of salt. Now mix everything together, and if you can, set this salsa aside for 15 to 20 minutes to give those flavors a chance to meld. But if you can't wait, you can totally serve it immediately.
I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this mango salsa. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!